Welcome to the Pass IELTS Online writing lessons. I'm Rebecca and this is a short introduction to the lessons before you start so you will know exactly what you have to do. You have to write the test on paper with a pen or pencil, so we ask you to do the same for this course and practice. After this course, you will know what to expect and you'll feel more confident and you'll understand what the examiner is looking for, and you will have a chance to practice the writing under test conditions and get feedback from us, according to the score you need. The lessons are on the website and you can follow in your training booklet where you will find all the materials you need. Before the lessons, you will need to print the workbook writing section or use the copy we sent you. This is very important as it allows you to practice simulating the real test conditions. You will also need the following things: a pen or a pencil, a rubber, and to be able to listen and watch the audio on the website. You should start with the overview of the writing section, which you can find on the website. Simply play the video and follow it in your workbook. You will be given an overview of the tasks, strategies on how to write your answer, ideas on what the examiner is looking for, and have a chance to practice. After each lesson, there is a short quiz to make sure you have understood what to do. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please just ask for help.